Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to order GNC products online. First, navigate to the official GNC website using your preferred web browser. Once there, you can use the search bar at the top of the page or browse categories like vitamins, protein, or weight management. Click on a product to view its details, including ingredients, benefits, and customer reviews. Select your desired quantity and size, then add it to your cart. Finding what you need on the GNC website is straightforward. You can type the product name, such as multivitamin or whey protein, directly into the search bar. Alternatively, browse through well-organized categories like vitamins and supplements or sports nutrition to explore options. Many categories offer filters, allowing you to narrow down choices by brand, price range, or even specific health goals, making your selection process efficient and tailored. Once your cart is full, proceed to checkout. Carefully review all items, quantities, and prices to ensure everything is correct. Next, you will enter your shipping information, including your address and preferred delivery speed. GNC typically offers several shipping options, from standard to expedited. Finally, choose your payment method. Common options include major credit cards, debit cards, or digital payment services like PayPal. Confirm your order to complete the purchase. After successfully placing your order, you will receive an email confirmation within a few minutes. This email will contain your order number, a summary of your purchase, and often a tracking number. Use this tracking number to monitor your package's journey from the warehouse to your doorstep. Should you have any questions about your order, shipping, or products, GNC's customer service team is readily available to provide support and assistance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.